everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have a very special unbagging today. On enveloping, unboxing, whatever it is you want to call it. It's an unpackaging. This is from BFF Diamond Painting Pens on Facebook, and I will provide the link down in the description. The way they work theirs is actually pretty cool. He does a mass drop every day, and he'll drop a bunch of pens in the group that are already made, ready to go. And you comment, he'll put the price there and the name of the pen, of course, and a picture of it. And then you comment underneath of it and say, "My BFF." And then he assigns a random number generator after a given amount of time. He assigns everybody a number, and he picks by random number generator. And so I entered a few of them. What was it? Tuesday? I want to say it was probably Tuesday night, maybe Monday night. I can't remember which. And maybe even later than that. I think it was Tuesday. But yeah, he dropped a bunch of pens, and they were all, I love blue. Of course, everybody knows I love blue. And turns out Mrs. Unicorn loves blue too. Yes. So he dropped a bunch of blue pens, and they were all just absolutely stunning. And I commented on all of them, hoping I'd win one. And sure enough, I got one. And I love this one. I love the picture. I haven't seen it in person yet. You're going to see it with me for the first time. But I've got to be really careful in opening this package, because I'm not keeping this one. Yes, this one is going out to Mrs. Unicorn. As soon as I open it, unbox it, take a look at it, and I'm going to seal it back up, and I'll be sending it to her. So I've got to be really super careful in opening this one. Luckily I put a brand new blade in today, so it's nice and sharp. So let's take a look. He does give you the option of whatever pen or whatever tips you would like. He has quite a few different tips that he will put on there for you, and you choose which ones you want. It comes with a one placer and then another one out of an entire listing of ones that you can get. So of course I asked Mrs. Unicorn which color she would like, or which tip she would like, and that's what I told him I wanted on it. Oh, that's so pretty. Ooh, that is awesome. This one is called Fractured Glacier. It is absolutely stunning. It is nicely turned. It's got a nice little spot there for your hand. It's not too deep. It's not too... It's perfect. It's like a little dimple there to put your finger in when you're holding the pen to keep you from... Nice little grip on it. And she got the single placer and a 6-placer straightener. And I love the way this thing shimmered. I mean, I don't think the camera can pick it up. It's got like a pearl. Yeah, you kind of see it. Like right in there. You can kind of see that pearl coming through. It's just a translucent kind of color. Let me see if I can get some better light on it. I think the light pad would be too strong. There it is. Yes, that works a lot better. And if I turn the light pad on, you can kind of see through it. It's kind of translucent, like it will be lit from behind. So yes, everybody, I love it. I will be trying to win more of these from him. I think this one cost me $25 total, including shipping. And as I said, I I won it on Tuesday evening, and I sent in payment as soon as he messaged me the invoice. He got my address, my email address from me, and he sent me the invoice, and I went and paid it immediately, $25 including shipping, and it arrived today, Saturday. So Tuesday to Saturday. Very fast shipping. I'm very pleased with it. I will definitely be trying to get some more from him because this is stunningly beautiful. It does look good with all of my other pens there. And I've still got this one here too. I need to pull out my second little thing now and start putting pens on soon. So there we go. That is Fractured Glacier, my BFF Diamond Painting Pens. And now I will stick this back into the bubble wrap, and I'll put the little bubble wrap cap back on it for her. There it goes. Now it's nicely protected again, and I will put this into the bag. I've got to get some tape and seal that up and make me a little label that says Mrs. Unicorn, and then I'll drop it in the mail and let her see it when she gets it. She's gonna love it. I know she is. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to click that little subscribe button, like somewhere, like right down there. Yeah, there it is, right there. And there's a little bell there. Go ahead and ring that bell, and you can be notified anytime that I do upload a new video, which I'm gonna have to start uploading more and more often instead of just doing lives on Sunday nights. I know work and lift and everything else is just kind of combining, and I haven't had time to record very many videos, so I need to get some more done. I've been working on my Starry Night Santa, which I've got right here. I'm still working on that and getting some progress done on it. But I still also have my Statue of Liberty. I still have my Hank custom that I've got in progress, and I've got so many other diamond paintings I want to get to, so I really want to get this one done and start doing some videos with it, and maybe some other ones of some other diamond paintings. So yep, that's my plan, and I'm going to try to stick to it. So I guess until the next time I see you all, rock on, y'all.